All right, 6.4, day 2, homework number 13. Goal is to simplify. At first glance, a lot of kids would think distribute, which isn't wrong, but 1/3 of 2 and 1/3 of -10 kind of makes messy numbers, right? So what I would actually recommend doing here is simplify this inside part. When you have like the same base divided, you subtract the exponents. So if you forget that, I just do a simple example with regular numbers, and you can see that, oh, those cancel out and you get x squared, so you really subtract the exponents. So on the inside of this question, we have x squared minus -10. Okay, and that's going to come out nice and neat to 12. Minus negative becomes a plus. So you have x to the 12th. Okay, and now power of a power, we just multiply. So I got to do 12 over 1 times 1/3. And when we multiply fractions, just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then that's going to clean up real pretty to x to the 4th. And that's our most simplified possible answer. Right? And if you forget all these rules like subtract, I really encourage you to just write out some basic problem with some simple numbers that aren't fractions and then see if you can remember the rule that way. All right, that is all. Thanks for watching.